continuing on here with the bed, trying to find that leak. Well, I got the pulled the board. It was just 3 screws, pulled it out. So I pulled that out, and I see we had, at some point in time, I got a surprise here. I was going to clean the carpet here, clean all this mess up in here, and I see we've had visitors. I'll spare you all the close-up, but we got some mousy poop. Ooh, yep, you heard it. I got to say poop. So I got some mousy poop going in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get cleaning all this up. But again, I don't really see no water staining. Yeah, I don't know what's mousy poop and what's not. So we're gonna have to clean all this up from here. Did get to watch this. I don't like how that's dressed. Not dressed. Anyways, did get to watch how this works here, and from there, I think, will that work? Hold on, we're gonna run this out. I want to show you. I've finally seen what's making that popping noise. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the slide in and out real quick. You can kind of watch it run. So here we go, and now. So it's a clutch that's popping in and out. So that's a good thing. You can watch it here. Let me change the view. You kind of see the motor there. Now watch this fall off. What do you think? Think it'll fall off? I think it's going to fall off. Let's find out. So that's a good thing. It's doing what it's supposed to. So no issues with that. So anyways, that was good news. I was afraid it was jumping a tooth or something in the rack, but I didn't see no wear in the rack. So anyways, got my vacuum. I got some work to do. I'm gonna spare you all from that, but that's what I'm working on now. And then after I get this all cleaned up, I got the rug cleaner here, so we're gonna clean the carpets, clean the furniture, and get things all ready to go. All right, looks like that's not a rag. That's a dead mouse. So it looks like a dead rat. Anyways, that's all decon in here then. That's what all that is. That's what I was thinking. Okay, that's got to go. Oh, that's just lovely. Too bad Pearl's not here for this. So let me get this out of here. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. Yep. All right, we'll spare you all that. Finished up cleaning. Got a few stains in the carpet now, thanks to our little rodent-y friends, but I got it all. It's all cleared up, cleaned up back in through there. So I got it all cleaned out. Excuse me, all cleaned out real good. So that should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and button this up, put it all back together, and then I got vacuum the carpet real quick, and then start working on getting this taken back to storage. So cleaned up nice though. The bed's officially back together. So that wraps up that. I'm getting a little rain outside, so haven't really seen anything coming in from it yet. So maybe once I get the slide in, I'll do a little investigating. But I'm probably not being here very well. I've got the I'm on the front. Hold on. Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.